If you're brand new to Google Drive, this video is going to make everything simple. I'm going to walk you through the basics step by step, so by the end, you'll know how to open Drive, organize your files, upload your documents, share folders, and find things fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's start from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to Google Drive. You can search for Google Drive or type in the web address directly if you already know it. Once the page loads, sign in with your Google account. If you already use Gmail, it's the same account. After signing in, you'll land inside your Drive dashboard, which is basically your file home on Google. Now let's look at the layout, because knowing where everything is will make the rest much easier. On the left side, you'll see the main navigation. My Drive is where your personal files and folders live. Shared with me is where files other people have shared with you. Recent shows files you opened lately, which is really helpful when you can't remember exactly where something is. And trash is where deleted files go before they're permanently removed. Once you understand those sections, uploading files is the next big step. To upload something, click the plus new button in the top left corner. From there, you can choose file upload if you want to upload one or more individual files, or folder upload if you want to bring in an entire folder at once. After you choose your file or folder, select it from your computer and wait for the upload to finish. You'll see the progress in the bottom corner, and when it's done, your files will appear in Google Drive automatically. If you want to stay organized, creating folders is one of the smartest things you can do. Again, click the plus new button, then choose new folder. Type in a clear folder name, something like work files, school, invoices, or project documents, and then click create. Your new folder will show up right away, and you can drag files into it later to keep everything clean and easy to find. Now let's talk about sharing, because this is one of the most useful parts of Google Drive. To share a file or folder, right-click it and choose Get Link. You'll see sharing options like Restricted and Anyone with the link. Restricted means only people you specifically invite can open it. Anyone with the link means anyone who has the link can access it, depending on the permissions you set. After choosing the right access level, copy the link and send it to whoever needs it. This is perfect for collaboration, schoolwork, business documents, and file sharing without attachments. Google Drive also lets you create your own Google files directly inside the platform. Click the plus new button again, and this time you can create Google Docs, Google Sheets, or Google Slides. Docs are for documents, Sheets are for spreadsheets, and Slides are for presentations. The best part is that these files save automatically, so you don't have to worry about clicking save every few seconds. Everything updates in real time and stays safely stored in your Drive. If your Drive starts filling up, the search bar at the top becomes your best friend. You can search by file name, file type, or even by owner. So if you know the name of a document, just type it in. If you don't know the exact name, try searching by type, like document, spreadsheet, or presentation. That makes it much faster to find files in a busy account. And if you need to clean things up, deleting files is easy too. Just right-click the file and choose Remove. That sends it to trash instead of deleting it forever right away. If you change your mind, you can restore it from trash before it's permanently gone. That gives you a little safety net, which is great if you accidentally delete something important. So now you know the basics of getting started with Google Drive. How to open it, understand the main sections, upload files, create folders, share links, make Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, search for files, and delete items when needed. Once you get used to these steps, Google Drive becomes a really powerful tool for keeping your files organized and accessible anywhere. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.